Hi, and welcome to BetterFleet, the platform to help you build a greener, more efficient fleet. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find and compare vehicles, optimize your scenarios, and run a report to support your business case to transition your fleet. To start, click on the Start button. You can apply filters to find vehicles that you want to compare. You can see the specs for each vehicle, including range and charging times for electric vehicles. Put in your annual driving distance, operational term, and the percentage of personal use to create a comparison project. Now you can see your selected vehicles compared based on their total cost of ownership and carbon emissions. The comparisons can be based on distance or over a time period. These comparisons are based on a set of default assumptions. To change these assumptions, go to Settings. You can change your energy prices and tax requirements. Remember to save and click on the Refresh Settings button to apply your changes to the scenarios in your project. Next, you can optimize your scenarios. Simply click on the Optimize button to update your comparison criteria for each vehicle. You can see the breakdown of the total cost of ownership and vehicle emissions. Save your changes and repeat for each vehicle. You can run a report by choosing the vehicles you want in the report, then click the Run Report button. You will get a report comparing emissions and total cost of ownership and impacts based on how long you keep the vehicle for, how far you drive, changes in energy prices, and your use of renewable energy. This report has been designed so you can download and append to your business case to transition your fleet to electric. You can create as many projects as you like using the BetterFleet platform as you move forward in your fleet transition journey. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy using BetterFleet. If you need more help, please contact us at fleetsau@chargetogether.com.